Hey everybody. So we've just learned how isotopes work, and now we're going to learn about two other important keywords to do with atoms. And these are radiation and radioactive decay, or just decay. So, radiation is released from some kinds of atoms. So, after scientists had discovered isotopes, they discovered that some of these isotopes actually release energy, which they called radiation. So in this example, we can see we're starting off with an isotope, which we call the parent isotope, and then that isotope decays as step 2, and it releases some radiation, which is a whole stream of energy flying out of that atom. And then after it's released the radiation, we call it the daughter isotope. So our first definition we need to know is actually what is radiation. Well, radiation can be a couple of different things, but overall it's a stream of energy that travels through space. So it's a stream of energy, but it can be a wave, so it can be made of light, or it can be a whole lot of particles, all traveling in a stream through space. So we can say it's a stream of energy, waves or particles moving through space. And we'll learn more about the types of radiation later on. For now, though, we're calling it a stream of energy. So once scientists had realized that some of these atoms release radiation, they called these radioactive atoms. And the process of releasing radiation, they called radioactive decay. So that's the other word we need to learn. Radioactive decay. So we'll define that as it's the process of a radioactive atom releasing radiation and becoming a different isotope. A radioactive isotope releasing radiation and becoming a new isotope. So elements can actually change from one element to another when they undergo radioactive decay. A really common example is carbon-14. The isotope carbon-14, it actually changes to nitrogen-14 when it undergoes radioactive decay. Alright, so that's those two key words we need to know.